A towering inferno in Hong Kong. Firefighters still battling to contain the blaze more than a day after it began. It broke out Wednesday afternoon in a single block, spreading up bamboo scaffolding before rapidly jumping to other towers across the housing estate. Hundreds of dazed survivors spent the night outside, struggling to recall frantic moments of escape.
Outside, everyone was shouting, "Fire! Get out! Get out! Just get out!"
I live in Block 2. I saw it spread from Block 6 to 5. It burned through without anyone hosing it down. I didn't see fire engines spraying water. It's terrible for us, and I don't know what to do.
The disaster is already being labeled one of Hong Kong's darkest chapters.
In this incident, our department dispatched 98 ambulances for rescue. With so many casualties, we coordinated with the hospital authority to activate a special mechanism, sending patients to hospitals across different districts for continued care.
Preliminary findings show the deadly Wang Fu caught fire in Tai Po stemmed from flammable materials left during maintenance, weak emergency response, and strong winds carrying flames between buildings. Investigations are underway, and the Hong Kong government has already announced it will replace the city's famous bamboo scaffolding with steel.
Around 2 a.m., we arrested 3 men from Tai Po, and Bassam Bounenni on suspicion of manslaughter.
The days ahead would be tense in the semi-autonomous Chinese territory as residents raise urgent questions about safety in its many crowded buildings. Bassam Bounenni, TRT World.